for Christmas is you.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
What was that? Thanks, Mom. Mom's in the room, by the way. She watched me mentally and emotionally break down about 6 times in the past hour. If you guys only knew, so many crazy things happened when I was filming the video before this, including my ring light literally falling, hitting my camera, and almost whacking me / killing me in the face. Good times. But enough about that. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Karla. I post videos every Wednesday, but for this month, I am posting 2 videos a week. You are getting my videos every Wednesday and Friday. I've got a bunch of super fun videos that I've already filmed that I cannot wait for you guys to watch. Just like today's video, I've got a PR unboxing / new in makeup and skincare haul. That's a long title. If you're still looking for the perfect Christmas gift for your friends, your family, or maybe for yourself, shout out to all y'all girls. Send this video to your boyfriends and husbands because I got some amazing things to show you. I seriously still can't believe that I get to be spoiled rotten by brands that I only ever dreamed of ever working with. I just want to say a huge thank you to Estee Lauder, to Aerin, and to Sephora as well, and to Trina's friend Hazel. Hazel, if you're watching, I don't even know how to describe my complete shock and kilig when Trina gave me your gift. Girl, stop! She gifted me something that I have been dying to try. If you want to see this PR, unboxing, new in skincare and makeup haul, I don't know what I'm calling this video, then keep on watching. I think I'm gonna start first with Hazel's gift to me. I was never even expecting a gift from any of Trina's friends. The Ordinary Colors Light Coverage Serum Foundation. A lot of people have been raving about this. I personally have not tried anything from The Ordinary yet, but Trina has, and she genuinely loves their products. Hazel got me the shade 1.1N Fair Neutral. This is what it looks like. Again, it just comes in this super sleek, matte, minimalist packaging. It screams The Ordinary. I cannot wait to try this. I'm a huge lover of natural makeup and light makeup products. Serum textured natural coverage foundation that softens undesirable hues and visibly reduces imperfection. Sounds like my kind of makeup product. Next up, Estee Lauder. Can we take a moment to appreciate this beautiful gift bag? Does this not scream luxury and class? Dear Karla, happy holidays. To help you with the festivities of the season, we would like to share with you this year's edition of Estee Lauder Good as Gold set, valued at 11,500 pesos. It's available now at select Estee Lauder counters for 1,800 pesos. That's insane. If this is valued at 11,500 and you only have to pay 1/8 for it with every 3,000 peso purchase of regular products. Inside this is every essential you will basically need. So inside you've got, ooh, gorgeous textured gold and silver clutch bag, and we've got a bunch of makeup products. Double Wear Flawless Hydrating Primer with SPF 45. I am already obsessed with the Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, so the fact that I now have this primer, my makeup gonna be in place all day. Double Wear Stay in Place Eye Pencil in black. Double Wear Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. Just comes in the perfect travel size, which you can keep in your bag. And then we've got the Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick in the shade Insatiable Ivory. Look at that. I just feel like this nude would suit every skin tone. And as much as I love a red lip during the holidays, with all of the eating and the drinking and the kissing, for some of you, a nude lip is the safest way to go because you don't really have to worry about it going all over your face. Another lipstick, this is the Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick in the shade Envious. Okay, remember how I just said that as much as I love a red lip, a nude lip would be the way to go for holiday parties? I lied. This is the most festive red lipstick. This screams Christmas. I love how this set has two lipsticks. Estee Lauder has really great lipsticks. Very comfortable, very hydrating. They do stay in place, and the pigment in their lipsticks, unbeatable. Pure Color Envy Sculpting Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. This is the perfect party palette. So it comes with 6 gorgeous eyeshadows. You've got 4 mattes and 2 glitters. And then there's this gorgeous, very subtle and natural blush. This is the dream palette to have, especially when you're traveling. And of course, it comes with a huge mirror, which I think, again, is another plus. Wow. If you're still looking for the perfect Christmas gift, or if you want to treat yourself to great value for money, then I highly suggest you check out this Good as Gold set. Next up, we have something from Aerin. Now, Aerin is actually another company under Estee Lauder, so shout out to my Estee Lauder fam. I could cry on camera. I genuinely could. If you know somebody who's a perfume lover, or if you're a perfume lover and you're looking for a great scent, Aerin is actually on my top list of perfumes. I think it's called Tangier Vanille. Super deep, musky, and rich perfume that just smells stunning, and every single time I use it, I always get so many compliments. Dear Karla, we would like to share with you a piece of this modern fragrance wardrobe created by Aerin Lauder. Hibiscus Palm captures the island scent of brilliant sunshine on a lush beach with a heart of fragrant white blossoms wrapped in the velvety warmth of coconut milk, vanilla, and musk. These are basically like all of the scents that I love. One of the reasons why I love Aerin perfumes so much is the packaging. Look at how stunning this packaging is. All of their perfumes come in this glass bottle, and the cap is always in this stone finish. This would look great on any vanity. Oh my god. Shut up.
Wow!
Oh my goodness, I cannot get over how that smells. This one is still warm and musky, but it's very floral as well, very girly. Ooh, I really like this. If you're shopping for somebody who loves perfume, or you want to get someone a very special perfume, I suggest you check out Aerin. Sephora, shout out to Danny and to my Sephora family. Sephora is the way to go, my friends. You can shop so many amazing brands on their website, and if you use my code Karla, you actually get 10% off your order. You can only use my code once, but I feel like if you do one big shop and then you use my code, you save 10% off, which is a huge deal, honestly, especially during Christmas. Every peso counts. Sephora sent me a couple of new bits that I am really excited to try. I'm excited for my mom and Trina to try as well. Golini. I'm not even gonna try. This gentle, non-foaming cleanser soothes the skin and leaves hair healthy and shiny. My skin, especially on my back, is super sensitive, so if I use the wrong shampoo, I break out. This sounds like it would be the perfect shampoo for people like me. Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask to detoxify and brighten. I love me a good face mask. It comes with the cutest little brush. Any mask that says it detoxifies and brightens is right up my alley. Frank Body Hydrating Body Cream. It says here, I'm a nourishing body cream that gets skin glowing. Frank Body is another brand that I've heard a lot of my favorite YouTubers talk about. Also from Frank Body, we've got the Espresso Coffee Scrub. Love me a good coffee scrub for the body, especially for my elbows and my knees. TMI, I know, but those are very dry parts of my body. Oh, it's in French. Biossance Repair Cream. It nourishes and restores the skin moisture barrier. So if you know somebody who has dry skin or is looking for a really nice moisturizer, that would be another option. Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask Foot Softening Luxury Foil Mask Socks. This is so freaking cool. I honestly feel like this would be such a fun and unique gift. It's made in Korea. Sorry about that, guys. My camera died. Pixie Skin Treats Retinol Jasmine Cleanser. I've heard a lot of good things about Pixie. It's a UK brand. A lot of people swear by a bunch of their products, and this one is a creamy moisturizing cleanser enriched with vitamin A, antioxidants, and ceramides to remove all impurities for smoother, firmer, and more radiant looking skin. Jill Stewart Birth Gem Gloss. I love me a good lip gloss. How extra is this? This lip gloss comes with a birthstone. This is giving me major Sailor Moon vibes. Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. This is a 24-hour mascara that promises super thick and lush lashes. Pixie by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip in the shade Caliente Coral. This is definitely going to my mom. This is a stunning red, and I know she's going to love this. I'll probably put this in her stocking so she has a cute little surprise. And there you guys have it. Just a bunch of amazing products slash gift ideas for all of you. Thank you again so much to Estee Lauder, to Aerin, to Sephora, and to Hazel. Thank you guys for being so generous and so thoughtful. I have been spoiled rotten and it feels like Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below of what's on your Christmas wish list. Leave it na para you can send this video to like your friends or family or your special someone, and then they can read the comments and see what you want for Christmas. You're welcome. And I'll see you guys again soon for another video. Bye!